Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you all the controls and gestures in your LG XBOOM Go speaker you have to know. So, at first we have the pause and play button. We have to tap somewhere in the touch panel to make our buttons appear. And now, if we tap pause button, single tap, we can pause and unpause our music. If we double tap on the pause and play button, we can go to the next song. But if we triple tap, we can go to the previous one. If we tap minus button, we can decrease the volume level. And if we tap plus, we can increase the volume level. With this button we can change the LED lights preset, and with this button we can just enable pairing mode. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!